Okay, we got our scanner on, and trying to find out why we got a rough idle in this Venture. And it's a Maxiscan, as you can see. The vehicle's pretty much warmed up. It's kind of cool outside right now, but it's been running for about maybe 4 or 5 minutes. Get it warmed up. No check engine lights or malfunction indicator lights on, but you can probably hear it's got a kind of a rumble to it. It's definitely not running as smooth as it used to. Okay, we're going to switch out of this and go to, this is like this Maxiscan lets you pick out what parameters you want to monitor. Up to 18 you can pick, otherwise you can do all the data. I think there's like 21, so I'm going to switch, press escape, get out of this, and we'll go up to here to complete data set, press enter, and now we can view the complete data set. I'll take this plastic off of here. Might make it a little bit easier to see it. There we go. Okay, I'm going to leave this. And we'll do some recording here. And we're going to pick the complete data set. And we'll do a manual trigger. I'm going to store it in one. And here we go. And you see up here it'll go through the timer. You can go all the way up to 60 or whatever. I'm not going to go that far. Just want to get it some kind of an idea so I can have something to look back on. This will store it in the memory of this thing. One note about this Maxiscan ms509, the software that comes with it will let you print this stuff out onto your computer. I don't know if it's a problem with all of these, but on my PC, when I read the data that's transferred, for some reason it tends to drop some of the numbers. So, for example, if you were to go to the this map sensor reading right here, where it says 10.6 inches of mercury on the computer, you'll probably see 0.6. It'll drop that 10. So I don't know if it's with all of these scanners or just mine, but anyway, it's something to be aware of. Just remember, probably better to go by the values you're getting right off of this instead of the values that are being transferred from this thing's memory onto your PC. Just something to be aware of. Okay, I hope this helps you guys out. When you're done, you just have to press escape. Oh, excuse me. Well, I thought that would stop it, but I guess not. There we go. So, press escape, it'll kick you out of there. If you don't want to look at it right now, play it back right now, just select no and hit enter. And then press an escape again, and again, and again. Press enter when you want to get out of there, and then it'll get back to your main menu. Alrighty, enough of that. Hope it helps you out.